Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadget mysteries in a fun and straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to check the generation of your iPad, with a special focus on the upcoming 2025 models. Whether you're upgrading, selling, or just curious, knowing your device's generation can help you make smarter decisions. Let's dive right in. First things first, why does this matter? iPads evolve quickly, and each generation brings new features, better performance, and sometimes exclusive software updates. For 2025 models, we might see advanced AI integrations or enhanced displays, so identifying yours is key. Step 1. Start by turning on your iPad and navigating to the Settings app. It's that gear icon on your home screen, easy peasy. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then, hit About at the top of the list. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of info. Look for the model name or model number. For example, if it says iPad Pro 2025 or something like A1234, that's your clue. Apple uses these codes to denote generations. Generally, the letter A followed by numbers indicates the model year and type. If you're unsure, jot it down and head to Apple's official website. Just search for your model number in their support section, and it'll spill the beans on exactly which generation you have. Another quick method is checking the back of your iPad. Flip it over. Most models have the model number etched in fine print near the bottom. For 2025 iPads, Apple might introduce QR codes or digital identifiers, so keep an eye out for that. One common pitfall: don't confuse the iOS version with the hardware generation. They're related but not the same. Always double-check with the model details. And there you have it. You're now a pro at identifying your iPad's generation. This knowledge will help you stay ahead in the tech game, especially with 2025's innovations on the way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your iPad questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.